Welcome once again. In last video related to the diagrammatic presentation of data, we have discussed how to draw two-dimensional diagram is over there. In today's video also we are going to discuss a very important two-dimensional diagram. The name of that diagram is angular or scatter diagram is over there. So many times in examinations from this chapter I have seen a question from the chapter of diagrammatic presentation of data, and that question is scatter diagram or having pie chart is over there. So today video is very important. In today video we will learn how to draw the pie chart, or we should say the angular chart, angular diagram is over there. So we have taken an example. The head is agriculture, irrigations, power, MSME, industry and mines, transportation and social services. Expenditure in Udaipur in crore rupees, that is 1600 crore rupees, 1200 crore rupees, 600 crore rupees, 22,400 crore rupees, 800 crore rupees and 400 crore rupees and 1000 crore rupees. Expenditure in the Jaipur, that is on the agriculture, 2400 crore rupees, and on irrigation 200 crore rupees, on power 1200 crore rupees, on MSME 1800 crore rupees, on agriculture, industry and mines 600 crore rupees, on transportation there is a double of the Udaipur, that is 800 crore rupees, and social services 4000 crore rupees. So we are to make the angular or sector diagram for that. For that, the very first we get the angular diagram is like this. Firstly we have to this angle, and then we having the separate this. For getting this angular diagram, the very first we have to do, what we have to do, the very first we will calculate the angle. For getting angle, what we have done, angle, that is expenditure divided by total multiply by 360 degree. As we know that one angle have total 360 degree. So the very first we will divide how many degrees of the angle there will be, and there may be having cumulative angles also, and then we will make this type of the angle is over there. So the very first I am shifting this expenditure at Udaipur, that is I am shifting this to get some space, that is 1600, 1200, 600, 2400, 800, 400 and 1000. So expenditure in Udaipur I have shifted. So total is 8000. Total expenditure is 8000 in Udaipur. So angle, for getting angle, head Udaipur, expenditure in Udaipur. So the very first we will get agriculture, that is 1600 total expenditure 8000 crore rupees multiplied by 360 degree. So the first angle will be 1600 divided by 8000 multiplied by 360 degree. So angle having the 72 degree. So first angle will be having 72 degree. Similarly we get angle of all, that is next one 8000, 1200 divided by 8000 multiplied by 360 degree. divided by 8000 multiply 360 degree, that is 54 degree. What I have done, 1200 divided by 8000 multiply by 360 degree, so that also 54 degree. Similarly 600 divided by 8000 multiply by 360 degree, 27 degree. This angle will be 27 degree. 2400 multiply divided by 8000 multiply by 360, that is 108 degree. Next 800 divided by this multiply by 360 degree, 36 degree. 400 divided 8000 multiply by 360, that is 18 degree. And last one 1000 divided by 8000 multiply by 360, that is 45 degree. So the very first, what we will do, we will getting with the formula of this, we will get the angle of this. So what we have done, 1600 divided by 8000 multiply by 360 degree, 1200 divided by 8000 multiply by this, and cumulative angle. For drawing curve, we will having, if we are having the cumulative angle, it will be suitable to draw. So that is cumulative angle. So cumulative angle will be, first one 72 degree. 72 plus 54, 126 degree. Then 27 degree, 153 degree. Plus 108 degree, that is 261 degree. Plus 36 degree, 297 degree. Plus 18 degree, that may be 315 degree. Plus 45, that may be 360 degree. Next, expenditure in Jaipur is given. So then similarly we will get this, both of these. Expenditure in Jaipur is given. So first degree angle, 2400 divided by 24000 multiplied by 360, that is 36 degree. First one is 36 degree. Second one 7200 divided by this multiplied by 360, that is 108 degree. What I have done? 7200 divided by 24000 multiplied by 360 degree, we have got the angle 108 degree. Next one 1200 divided by this multiplied by 360, that is 18 degree. 1800 divided by this multiplied by 360, that is 27 degree. 600 divided by this multiplied by 360, we are having 9 degree. 800, 10 degree. 4000, 60 degree. So the very first we will calculate this. 600 divided by 24,000 multiplied by 360, that is 9 degree. 8,000 multiply this multiply 360, that is 12 degree. Okay, the very first we should having. Now cumulative angle. So for getting the cumulative angle, 36 degree. 36 plus 108, that is 144 degree. Plus 18. 20 degree, no. 1200 divided by 240 multiplied by 360, 18 degree, okay. 36 plus 144 plus 18, that is 198. Plus 27 degree, that is 225 degree. Plus 9 degree, that is 234 degree. Plus 12 degree, that is 246 degree. Plus 60 degree, that have mistake. So againly we have to check. Firstly we should check this total. 2400 plus 7200 plus 1200 plus 1800 plus 600 plus 800 plus 400. 1800. Total is 1800. So some mistake is over there. For getting this, again we will calculate this angle, because total is 18, not 24,000. 18,000 is over there. So 2400 plus 7200 plus 1200 plus 1800 plus 600 plus 800 plus 4000. 18. Okay. We are keeping here 2000. So there will be having the difference. This is 8,000, this is 16,000. So we will get the difference of both angle. Okay. Now 16,000 is our total. So 2400 divided by 16,000 multiplied by 360. So first angle will be 54 degree. 7200 divided by 16,000 multiplied by 360, that is 162 degree. 1200 divided by this multiplied by 360, that is 27 degree. 1800 divided by 16,000 multiplied by 360, that is 40.5 degree. 600 divided by this multiplied by 360, 13.5 degree. 800 divided multiplied by 360, that is 18 degree. 2000 divided by this multiplied by 360, that is 45 degree. So now we get the okay. Now first one is 54 cumulative plus 162 216 plus 27, that is 243 plus 40.5 283.5 5 degree plus 13.5 297 degree plus 18 315 degree and 360 degree. Now this is correct. So we are having 8,000 and 16,000. So for getting 8,000, suppose we are having 4 centimeter circle. We are having circle of 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter circle. So firstly we will draw a circle. For double is over there, so we are having the circle of 8 centimeter. So both circle is over there. This is just double circle of this 8 centimeter. I have having the problem of space, but you may not having this problem of space. Okay. So the very first 72 degree. So we are having 90 degree. This is 72 degree. Then 126 degree. It means 54 is to 8. So 180, 90, 100, 126. So first angle we should having, that is 72 degree. Then this angle will be having 54 degree. Next one is 27 degree. So next one is 27 degree. 27 degree. Next one is 261, 108 degree. So there is 108 degree. Next one is 36 degree. Next one is 18 degree. And last one is 45 degree. So this is 36 degree, 18 degree and 45 degree. So we will draw this, we will having the D curve. So very first we will write here, that is agriculture. So this point refer to the agriculture. So first we will having point is agriculture. Second one, that is irrigation. Suppose this symbol for the irrigation, second symbol for irrigation. Third is for power, 27 degrees is power. So suppose our power system, this power. Then MSME, suppose this symbol shows the MSME. So we are having MSME. Next one, industry and minerals. So suppose this symbol show the industry and minerals. Last one, transportation. So suppose we are showing with a symbol of car. Okay. So this may be symbol of transportation. Next one, last one is the social services. So suppose here social services, we are planting tree in social services. So next one is social services. In that also, firstly the curve will be 54 degree. Second curve 162 degree, total is 261. So 280, 180 and 261. That curve will be having 162 degree. Third curve is 27 degree. So this will be 27 degree. Fourth curve is 40.5 degree. So 40.5 degree. Then 13.5 degree. So 13.5 degree. Then 18 degree. Then this may be 18 degree. And last one is 45 degree. Angle will be equal in your diagram. I am just approximating, giving the approximates. So first one is for agriculture. Second one is for irrigation in Jaipur district. There is more in Jaipur irrigation facility. Third one is for power in Jaipur district. So we are having this square for the power. Fourth one is for MSME. So MSME symbol was this. Fifth one is industry and mineral. Sixth one is for transportation. And last one is for the social services. Already we have given this plantation as a social services. So with the help of this video, you may draw the pie diagram or scatter diagram, or we will say that angular diagram. For that, what you have to do for that, the very first you will add the total, and then 1600 divided by 8000 multiplied by 360 degree, because total circle is 360 degree. Total circle of the both circle have the 360 degree. So in very first, what we have done, 1600 divided by 8000 multiplied by 360 degree. So getting result 72 degree. In also 2400 by 16,000 multiplied by 360 degree. So you will get 54 as angle. So very first we will get the angle of each item. 1200 divided by 8000 multiplied 360, 600 divided by 8000 multiplied by 360 degree. Then for getting appropriate result in this, we are having the cumulative angle also. So we may be having from this to 72, then 72 plus this, then 72 plus 27. So first cut will be 72, second is 126, third is 153, fourth one is 261 degrees, fifth one is 297 degree. Doing so, we will have one more thing is this, that this is 8000. So we having the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 2000. So here the 4 centimeter is over there. Here 16,000 is over there. So we have taken the radius is 8 centimeter because our scale is 1 centimeter is 2000. So 16,000 having 8 centimeter. So this radius will be 8 centimeter and this radius will be 4 centimeters. So this is also a 2-dimension diagram is over there. Firstly, it is showing different things, and second one, this 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter also keep the value. So this type of diagram is called pie diagram, scatter diagram, or angular diagram. This diagram is very important as far as the examination is concerned. So many times I have seen question from this angular diagram question I have seen in examinations. For that, they don't want to give the graph paper is over there, because this angular diagram will you can draw in your question booklet also, answer booklet also. So I think this video will be helpful for you to know how to draw the angular diagram. Thank you. In previous video, in continue video is over there, some part of the second diagram was cutting. That's why I am adding something in this video. Sir, process is same. You may draw both diagram. The process is nothing is difference in the process. Only this contains 8,000. This contains 16,000. For getting 1 centimeter equal to 2,000. So that first pie diagram will be having the radius of 4 centimeter. But the second will be having 16,000. So 16,000 divided by 2,000, we are getting 8 centimeter. So our second diagram radius will be 8 centimeter. Otherwise everything is same. Taking the angle is same. Taking the cumulative angle is same. So first we will draw the angle of 54 degree. Second we will draw the angle of 162 degree. Third angle will be 27 degree, fourth angle is 40.5 degree, fifth angle is 13.5 degree, and sixth angle is 18 degree, and last one is 45 degree. For getting this, to draw easily, we are having the cumulative angle is over there. So first cut may be having, if you are having whole 360 degree D available, so the very first, if not available, so very first we are having 180 degree here, 180 degree here. So adding this first 180 degree, we will having this, and secondly we are having a cut on 216 is over there. So we will having 216 minus 216 minus 180 degree. So there is 6, 3. So after putting the D in, we are having here 36 degree also. Again we are having such kind of this. So easily you can draw is over there. This is also a 2-dimensional diagram is over there, because this is showing firstly internal dividation, and second one the 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter radius is over there. So this is this curve also included in 2-dimensional diagram is over there. But if only one thing is there, suppose we have given only this question, not additional part of the question is given, then we have to draw only one, and this will be called 1-dimensional diagram is over there. So no problem at all. Sometimes in examination we are getting only one data is over there, and you are to draw only one angle diagram or one pie chart is over there. So I think this video will be helpful to learn how to draw the pie diagram, how to draw the angle diagram, or as well as the scatter diagram. Thank you once again.